গৌরাঙ্গৈক গতির্বজাশ্রিতমতি শ্রী গৌরধাম স্থিতি সৎসাৎসৈক বিতির কুসঙ্গ বিরতির দুস্থ ব্যথা নিষ্কৃতি শ্রীরূপৈকরতি সনাতন নতি শ্রীজীব তেজস্বতী শ্রী সিদ্ধান্ত সরস্বতী বিজয়তে গৌরীয় গোষ্ঠীপতি Shri Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauri Yogoshti Pati. How much accuracy Prabhupada used to maintain, we cannot understand. Material people, worldly people, they can think that Prabhupada is mad. When Prabhupada passing this comment remark, if the whole world is inundated, if the whole world is going to be burned up, if I have Chaitanya Charitamrita in my chest, that nothing lost. Everything is protected. Everybody, I am sure everybody can speak that Prabhupada is mad. Because they are in such a platform, from there it is impossible for them to realize what Prabhupada wants to speak. Because Chaitanya Charitamrita is there, mean Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Supreme Lord, is there. Who is going to take care of the infinity world? He cannot take care of me. Who is going to take care of infinity world? He cannot take care of me. How foolish I am, how Mayavadi, big Mayavadi I am. I am going to apply while I am in the leg of rich man. Kasmad bhajanti kavayu dharmadu dhanuduramadandham. This is the formula. Prabhupada speaking, this is the formula at present we like to follow. This is not Hari Bhajan. Those who can realize from heart, I need Krishna. Those who can realize from heart, yes, I need Krishna, I need Prabhu. This life I am not going to wait anymore. Can you speak? You come in front of me and touch Salagram and touch Nishinga Dev and speak that you have taken resolution that nothing you need except Krishna, then how you can do Krishna Bhajan? Krishna Bhajan is not a matter of joke. This life I will have to take. This life I cannot wait anymore. Enough facility I am getting. Pure Guru Vaishnava, Harikatha, Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, their writings. I am getting total facility. What more facility I can expect? AC room or citizenship in USA? What I can expect? If I feel all different facility, what you are going to offer to me, if I feel all poison, from heart, if I can feel all poison, like Madhavendra Bharat speaking, hey, you go away, I don't like to see your face. Foolish. I am not going to get Krishna, he is going to advise me to stop my crying. Foolish number one, go away. If I look at your face, then it is very unauspicious. I don't like to see your face. Go away from me. There is a mood of Sadguru. You cannot feel. One pure Guru Vaishnava in front of you speaking Soti, but inside they are always crying. Vipralamba. They are sometimes joking in front of you, speaking so many things. But inside there, if you search their heart, you can find all day and night they are crying, looking the situation of this whole Gaudiya Vaishnava society. And looking the situation that how they can get benefit. Extreme benefit, ultimate good, how they can. This is the heart of a pure Guru Vaishnava. They can only go for preaching. Those demons, they cannot go for preaching. They cannot go for preaching, only pure Guru Vaishnava. They have taken resolution that Prabhu, I know I want nothing. Only the seva you give to me to deliver bonded soul that I can do. I have no expectation, no smell of any desire. I only like to deliver them. And sadhu sangha kari hari bhaji jadi tabi hay antoklesh. If they are really from heart, they are going to get satsanga. Satsanga means 100% satsanga. There should not be 0.002% Asatsanga, Mayavad, I cannot allow. Then I can put guarantee this life you can go successful. Why it is so? Why it is so happening? That I am fallen and you are going up. Same Guru, you have taken Diksha from Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami, I am also. Why my position is so low? What can be the reason? One example Prabhupada used to speak, Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to speak, that at the bank of Ganga there is growing neem tree and mango tree. Why mango tree going to give nice, very sweet fruits? And why Nimba Bhikkhu going to give me, very bitter? What can be done? And there is also coconut tea, so many trees can be there. So why there is variety? It depends upon the quality of the seed. Maharaj, from where this kind of diversity coming? You are hearing Harikatha, you can give it, Maharaj, diversity in unity, unity in diversity. All coming from Krishna. Yes, right answer. But practically you cannot feel. When one nice, beautiful girl is there, then your feeling gone. You cannot feel that this diversity coming, all made of blood and flesh, everything, you cannot. Atma va are drashtabha satabha nidhi dhyasya. Why you forget that time? Why Maya going to put magic spell on you? For that time you cannot, you are hearing so many Harikatha, but you cannot feel. Why? Why you are memorizing this slok? Bhumi rapo analo, Vayu khang mana buddhi revacha, ahankara ityam me prakriti ras. You can memorize this slok very much, but you cannot realize. You cannot realize, that is the main point. You cannot feel that the dead body of that girl is also made up of blood, flesh and everything, You cannot see the Atma. Whenever you are looking anywhere, you cannot find Atma. That is the main problem. You are always going to find blood and flesh and stone and cheap everything. That's why in Upanishad it is written, Atma va are drashtabha satabha nidhi. Why you are going to love each other? Simply because Atma is there. If Atma going to live, then who is daughter, who is son, who is father, who is husband? All relationship finish. Only due to Atma. So you cannot see Atma. But Srimad Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran going to teach us, but you will have to learn Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran from a pure devotee. From a pure devotee you will have to learn. Not that you can learn Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran, Maharaj, I learned, everything, I know, everything, But you will have to learn from pure Guru Vaishnava.